Hey, hi guys, Ayush this side. So in this today's video, we will see how you can connect your ConvertKit account to your landing page and start sending emails to your subscribers. So for that, I am inside my card account. So for those who don't know what is a card account, well, it's a simple tool to create landing pages. So I am having different landing pages as you can see. So I'll go to the first landing page which I have created for the test purpose for this video, and it's a simple landing page as you can see with headline, my image, and this form. So once you create this landing page, now the time comes to connect this landing page to your ConvertKit account or to your email marketing tool. So for that, I will simply click on this form option, and when you click on that, on the left side you can see there are different options over there, and it will ask you to select the email marketing tool. Now based on whatever tool you are using, be it be ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Email Octopus, Klaviyo, Mailchimp, whatever it is, you can select your email marketing tool from here. Since I'm using ConvertKit account, so I'll click on ConvertKit, and as you can see it will give us two options, the API key and the form ID to fill. And once we fill these two options, then our card account will get connected to our email marketing tool. So how, from where are we going to find these two parameters? Well, this will be inside our email marketing tool. So for that, I will go inside my ConvertKit account. So for those who don't know, now ConvertKit has rebranded itself to Kit. So as you can see, I'll simply log in into my account, and this is how the dashboard looks like. So I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. So here first I will go to the settings part, because the very first parameter I need is the API key. So that will connect my ConvertKit account to this card dashboard. So inside the settings, you can scroll to the bottom and you can see developer option is there. And once you click on the developer option, you will be able to find your API key. Simply copy this, do not share this with anyone, and then you can simply paste your API key inside your card account. Now this will ensure the connection between your Kit dashboard and your card account. Now the next part is which form do you want to connect. So inside the Kit you can create different forms. So for that I will simply click on this grow option, and I will click on landing page and form. So the way how its structure is, you can create multiple forms inside your ConvertKit or the Kit account, and there each of these forms can be connected to the individual pages, right? So let's say for example, for one landing page there will be one form, for another one there will be another form, and so on and henceforth. So for this demonstration purpose, let's say if I want to connect this first form with my landing page, then what do I need is I need form ID. In order to find my form ID, I'll simply click on this form. And once I do that, on the top, you can see there will be a 7-digit code over here. You simply have to copy this, and this is your form ID, and paste it over here, and then click on done option. Now, once you do that, simply publish your page, and now your card account and your form and the ConvertKit account has been connected. To test it, I'll simply go to the page and I'll insert over here the details. I'll click on get access. Boom. So once you fill your detail, you can simply come to your ConvertKit account and you will be able to find the subscriber. Simply click on subscribers, and then you can see the first one, right? So the data has now been transferred to your ConvertKit account. So in this way, you can simply connect your card or any of the landing page tool to your ConvertKit or any of your email marketing tool. And in this way, you can start broadcasting them the emails. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to help and assist you. See you next time. Bye bye.